Hi guys, I'm Kristen, and I want to talk to you about an ever so important skin prep step that I've added to my daily routine. It takes less than 10 seconds, and it helps get my sensitive complexion ready to look hydrated and supple all day long. New from First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. Yes, a toner. This is not your old school astringent toner. This alcohol-free, milky toner is designed to boost moisture levels while nourishing and strengthening skin, so it feels less prone to irritation. Toners, in essence, are key prep steps after cleansing in K-beauty, Chinese, and Japanese skincare routines. And now I see why. After using this toner for the past few weeks, I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It feels smoother and looks dewy and more healthy looking. It's very easy to use. After cleansing, simply pour a few drops into the palm of your hand and gently press directly into skin. You can also pour it onto a cotton pad and swipe it over your face and neck. I use this twice a day before applying my serum and moisturizer, and I've noticed that it helps my skin absorb my other products even better, which is amazing. What really sets this toner apart is that it's made with a blend of soothing oat-derived ingredients, including oat milk, colloidal oatmeal, and wild oats, to replenish dry skin and put the fire out of irritation. It also contains honey and hyaluronic acid for an extra boost of hydration, to ensure your skin doesn't get thirsty by the end of the day. Beta-glucan helps strengthen skin, reducing its sensitivity to irritants and environmental triggers. So if you're like me and want hydrated, calm, healthy-looking skin, consider adding this crucial step into your skincare routine. Now that I have seen what this toner does for my dry, finicky skin, I can't imagine it not being a part of my daily routine.